EndNote also allows you to create new output styles which may not be in EndNote. Then you need to use them to publish your research. For example, the future medicine referencing style may not be available in EndNote. At least I'm sure it's not available in the lower versions like EndNote X2 and lower versions. So the first step is to go to the author guidelines in the future medicine website. Then the instructions will be there to help you install the style into EndNote, different EndNote versions. So to install the style into EndNote X2 and later versions, you download the future medicine EndNote style for references, and this is compatible with Mac EndNote version 9. In Windows, you find the location where you downloaded the style and double click to open it. It should then open in the EndNote program. So in the EndNote program, go to the file menu and choose save as. When you choose save as, that style will come with the last word as copy. Remove the word copy from the end of your style's name and then click the save button to save the style. Then you go to menu, file menu, and choose close style. The future medicine style should appear in the list as a new output style. So it will add on what is already available in EndNote, and it will be an extra style which you will have created manually. EndNote also allows you to change the Vancouver style to superscript. You know that the Vancouver style is usually numbers in brackets within the text, and then at the end of the document, the numbers the citations are arranged according to the numbers which correspond with the numbers in the text word in the text document. So to change the Vancouver style to superscript, you select edit, then go to the Vancouver style, then you select the citation template, and then it's within that template that you can edit the bibliography number. First of all, you remove the brackets because the superscript number should not be in brackets, and then you select the superscript from the menu and you save as Vancouver copy. Remember, you have to save it as Vancouver copy because the original Vancouver is already available. If you remove the word copy, it means you will have replaced the original Vancouver, and yet you will need it to publish in another journal, and you need to keep both. So you find that you have the Vancouver original, and then you also have the Vancouver copy, which will be superscript. In Microsoft Word, when you select Vancouver copy, after you have saved it, select Vancouver copy, and also select Vancouver copy in EndNote. You select it in EndNote and also in Microsoft Word, and automatically the citation numbers will change to superscript. EndNote also allows you to email an EndNote library. You can email it as a backup, or you share it with a colleague. You can save the library. First of all, you need to save the library as a compressed file, which will then be different from the normal file, because now the extension will end with enlx instead of enl file. So when you compress that file, the file itself and its associated data folder and all of its contents will be in a single compressed file. So then you don't need to keep both files, the data file and the EndNote file, together, because they will all be in one compressed file. And this is the file that you can now send as an email attachment, or you can copy to another computer as a backup. Later, you can easily restore or unzip the compressed library if you want to proceed with your research, citing and adding references to the library. To do this, open the library in EndNote, then select File, and then move down to where there is compressed file and click Create. Once you click Create, the compressed library will be created and will be saved in the same location where the other library is, but the difference, you can tell the difference because the icon of the compressed file has the word C in between. Then you can use your email program to send the attach and send the compressed file. When you open the file in an EndNote program, it will extract the .enl file and the .data folder automatically. So if you open them from a different computer, both files will be created and they will be in your other computer. EndNote also allows you to access the predefined manuscript templates. You can use the predefined manuscript templates available from EndNote version 9 onwards. These templates serve to assist in submissions to publishers. Remember, publishers have different requirements. So instead of now going to each database, to each publisher's database to see the requirements for their publication submission, you can use the EndNote manuscript templates and just click one that you want, and then you start writing. Formatting issues, for example, proper margins, headings, paginations, line spacing, title page, abstract page, etc. They are already set up for target publishers. So what you will only do is to select for which publisher you want to publish for, and you select that template and then you start writing. To choose manuscript templates, go to Tools in your EndNote library, select manuscript templates, and then select a template of your choice. In conclusion, EndNote is a powerful tool. It helps you to search online for references. It helps you to insert citations in your work, and it also helps you to manage your references. Once perfected, it will make your research life worth living. Practice makes perfect. So once you install EndNote on your computer, it comes with reading materials. So the EndNote manual and quick guide are available within the program. If you click on Start Programs and then you select EndNote, and now instead of selecting the EndNote program, you select the EndNote manual. It will open and you will get answers to most of your questions in EndNote. This marks the end of the session. Questions and comments are welcome. Thank you.